like, share, subscribe, comment, and share this to anybody that you already know. If you got a brother, sister, whoever, get their phone, get in there and mash subscribe. Because once I get to 100, I'm gonna cash out somebody instantly $100. My 100th subscriber will get $100. So I just want to tune y'all into that real quick, and be tuned in more to the channel, because tonight it's going down. I'm actually gonna be assembling more to the motor, and we're gonna get closer and closer to cranking this car up very soon. Got a lot going on. Okay. You already know what this one is. This part number is the radiator. Brand new radiator. Here we got either way around big boy cross member. Big boy cross member. This one is the Summit part number. This is the radiator support. Chrome radiator support, right? Speedway. Something from Speedway. What we got? Speedway Super radiator cap. Whatever. Racing radiator cap. This is okay. Condenser for the AC. With the lines. Oh, this is the trans cooler, should be. Yeah, this is the trans cooler. Okay. Yep. HD auto trans cooler, and that was the radiator cap. Speedway. The next box. Part number. Yeah, I ordered braided trans lines. Transmission lines, braided transmission lines. We ain't gotta worry about no leaks. Another big box. That's the key. This is the AC. This is the bills. That's the part number for the AC. This is the AC relocation. Backwards. The right way. Relocate that bracket. Starter. let's start. What else we got? What else we got? Some more braided lines. Some more braided lines. I don't know what these are for. More braided lines. More braided lines. I think this is for the fuel pump. Yeah, this is the fuel pump. That's what this is, the fuel pump system. Fuel pump system. Got your connector pieces. Yeah, because you got all of these. Like 4 of them. And you got another connector. That's that. Zoom in on that. We got what we got. New starter lines. New starter wires. Should have a core somewhere in here. Here we go. The wires. These. Yes, sir. All new. Performance. Anyway. We got a lot more stuff. Got these mounts, bracket mounts, old mounts. Boss is. We're gonna find out. Transmission mount. LS1 performance adapters. A lot of engine to go back and forth. And these are old school, but these for V6. I went through like 3 different sets of motor mounts already. These, the ones that I got inside of there, there's another pair in here somewhere, but should never have to worry about motor mounts. Should never have that problem. We got some bolts here. Not sure. We'll go to one of these things and we're gonna find out. Got this here. This, if I can get in here, is its part number. Cold air intake. Whole thing. There you go right there. Cold air intake. Right. Tell them what else we got. So let me go ahead and pull everything else out and I'll cut y'all back on. Alright y'all, got back in the trunk. I got the 4L60E transmission. We got the drive shafts, which I'm gonna try to go with this one. This one came with it. Brand new battery. The Hornets. Brand new battery. This is the adapter for this 4L60 to work. This gotta come off. I gotta take this one off and put this one on. it'll mount up right on to my 5.3. So we already, evidently he took it off and put it on already, because that's the old one. Okay, so that's the old one. That's my AC right here that I gotta put back on, my compressor. I might just buy a new one, man. Might not even play with this one. Yeah. Let's see. More than likely, I'll probably get another one. Alright. We got this wire harness. I'm trying to try to leave all this shit in here. I don't know what bracket he done took off. We got to get in the engine, man. Next clip, man, we got to get in the engine. More than likely though, this is just the inventory to go through the car to see what all I'm missing, what all I've been through. I basically bought everything for the car, so I gotta go back through again and find more parts. But we got some over here. This is the muscle car pan, oil pan. Thanks to Lord, shout out to Lord. I gotta put his links down in the description, but without him I wouldn't have been able to get this pan. I needed this oil pan to convert from the old one, truck style, to this one. So this is the part number. Okay, and you gotta get this on. It comes with everything in it. And shout out to Ike, because without Ike, I wouldn't have got it. Ike gave me the information from Lord. So I'm gonna put both of their link in the description, but shout out to Ike. Y'all go look at his channel, subscribe. Like all his videos, he's definitely a motivated person. Look at Lord. Lord, he definitely got some stuff. I'm gonna put his stuff down in the link. But thank you for that. Gotta have a cooler for the radiator. What we got here? Now I decided to go with these kind. My headers. Instead of the manifolds, I decided to go with these. Yes, sir. But that means it came with the, you know, both sides. But that's about it on this one. Is all I can see. We gotta come up with some more stuff, man. I gotta find a way to get the trunk open. So, I mean the hood open, the hood. Don't get in my comments talking about what I'm saying, because we doing everything raw. We're not doing no editing. So, if I miss something, I don't know, I'll get with y'all on the next one. But I just want to go through everything, and I want to show y'all every step that I go. The first thing will be me opening the hood and seeing what we need to get started, get this engine mounted and get it done. So, y'all stay tuned and be on the lookout. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And hit that button so you can get every notification as soon as I post it.